Today we're gonna properly season this new grate. Add your charcoal. And I have some wood I'm gonna add as well. You don't have to. If you don't have this, you can just use more charcoal. Different ways of turning on your charcoal or your wood. I don't have a blowtorch, so I'm gonna use just regular charcoal starter. Just a little trick, if you ever need to fan the flames, well, use a fan. So this will help you get your charcoal or get your wood up to temperature as fast as possible. So just a little insider information. Look at that. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to get these as hot as possible, because we want to go ahead and when we put in this new grate right here, we want to go ahead and use a high heat to burn off any of the stuff that is not food ready on that thing. You want to go ahead and spread the wealth out a little bit, especially if you're doing the seasoning for the first time. So we're just going to go ahead and go around these blocks so that we have heat all around the surface area of your new grate. Once you have your fire going, while it's still a little on the spicy side, you want to go ahead and lay your grate onto your, let me move this a little bit. You're going to go ahead and lay it on your grill, or on your pit. So in this first step of the process, all we're trying to do here is just kind of heat it up, make sure that it kind of gets that smoke in there, try to get kind of season it. You're seasoning it for the first time. Now this isn't the only step, there's another step to this. You want to keep this going like this for about, I would say at least an hour and a half. So the next step here in the process, we've had about an hour into it already. The next step here is you want to just try to scrape off any remaining. Have some of these gloves that I can use to handle grills when they're hot, handle the meat. It just came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out to go to the next step. The products that you see here, a lot of them I have a link on the description below. If you're interested, go ahead and click on that link, support the channel at the same time, and have some pretty good products. I'm gonna pull this out and I'm gonna turn it around. So the next step in the seasoning process is coating it with some type of oil. I like to use an aerosol type of canola oil. Makes it easier to spread. Careful, because you're going to be spraying to the fire, so this might flare up on you. But give it a nice coating on the backside. And you would do this to your smoker or your barbecue pit if you're seasoning it or re-seasoning it. The exact same method. Nice liberal coating. All this is going to burn off right now. All right, then I'm going to flip it over. Do the same thing to this side. Start from the top, work your way down. Give it a second coating. Be as liberal as you want with this. So we're gonna go ahead and lay this baby back down on your fire. Run it like that for about another 2.5 hours. After that, you can close it up, or you can start cooking on it. But you do have to give it a couple of hours so you can kind of burn off what you just put in there and let it kind of season itself. Right, this has been the Smoking Beer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments below. But I'll catch you guys on the flip side.